Welcome to Technical Jat #1 YouTube channel for all things tech. Today we're diving into the Motorola Moto G 2025. Let's look at its detailed specifications and features. Stay tuned to the end for my honest opinion on whether this phone is worth buying. Let's begin. The Motorola Moto G 2025 has a premium feel with its eco-friendly design. It features a Gorilla Glass 3 front, a silicone polymer eco-leather back, and a plastic frame for durability. It's compact with dimensions of 167.1 by 76.3 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs 193 grams, striking the right balance between sturdiness and portability. Plus, it's got a water-repellent design, making it resistant to accidental splashes. You can choose between two elegant colors, forest gray and sapphire blue. Moving on to the display, the Moto G 2025 sports a 6.7-inch IPS LCD with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, adding to the phone's convenience. The battery is a highlight of the Moto G 2025. It houses a massive 5,000 mAh battery that can last an entire day with moderate usage, and when you need to recharge, the 30-watt wired charging ensures a quick power boost. Under the hood, the phone runs on Android 15, offering a clean and modern software experience. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset built on a 6-nanometer process. This ensures solid performance for daily tasks, multitasking, and even some light gaming. Now let's talk about the cameras. The dual rear camera setup features a 50-megapixel primary lens with PDAF and OIS, ensuring sharp and stable photos even in low light. There's also a 2-megapixel macro lens for close-up shots. It supports 1080p video recording at 30 FPS, perfect for casual videography. For selfies, there's a 16-megapixel front camera with an f2.4 aperture, which also supports 1080p video recording at 30 FPS. The Moto G 2025 comes with multiple storage options. You can choose between 64 gigabytes with 4 gigabytes RAM or 128 gigabytes with 4 gigabytes RAM, depending on your needs. And if that's not enough, there's a dedicated micro SDXC card slot to expand the storage further. In terms of connectivity, the Moto G 2025 supports NFC. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone features a USB Type-C 2.0 port. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Technical Jat, and press the bell icon for more detailed tech reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Moto G 2025 or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.